Oh, ito yung high-tech, oh. No, yan, may mga... Yan, oh, NBI. Oh, ano yan? Naghugas kamay ngayon ang Palacio de Polvoron tungkol sa kapalpakan nila kagabi diyan sa Senado. Hindi umubra ang mga planong assassination laban po dito sa mga senador. Iyan po mismo ha, ay payag ni Senator Amy Marcos. Sabay-sabay po na naghugas kamay si John Vic Remulla, si Matibag at ang kanilang amo na si Bongbong Marcos. Pero hindi po nila ito pwedeng may tanggi dahil hindi po nagsisinungaling ang mga video na kumakalat po ngayon sa social media. May NBI agent po na nahuli, naiwan, no? Yung kanyang bag dyan sa Senado, kaya nadakip. At bukod po riyan, marami rin pong mga video footage na kumakalat na labas-pasok sa JSIS ang mga NBI agent sakay ng mga van. At ito naman, nag-trending rin po ang video ni Atty. Torion, nakitang-kita po, nagpa-flashlight ang NBI. At yung pinaka-trending ay yung nagbabarina na mga NBI agent dyan sa JSIS kung saan nandoon naman po yung emergency exit ng Senado. Palike po muna, pa-share, pa-subscribe at pakipindot po ang inyong mga notification para lagi po kayong updated sa ating mga video. Unahin po muna natin yung press call ni John Vic Remulla at ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano para mag-guided po tayo sa ating usapin ngayong araw. Narito po.
Kasama pa lang ang mga senador ngayon at nagpulong-pulong kami para makita talaga ako ng event. Chronology of events. Approximately 7:46, armed men tried to enter through the second floor but were stopped by the USAA. They had firearms with them, but the USAA fired a warning shot. They retreated at the back and started firing indiscriminately into the air. Now, we do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. Number two, there are no casualties. No one was hit, no one was wounded, no one was killed. Number three, we are in the process of determining who is behind this. We have instructed the GSIS and the Senate building, the Senate staff to secure all CCTVs. Our mission here, the President sent me here, number one, to secure the senators. There is no politics at this time. These times of turmoil, politics goes out the window. We all belong to one country and we all will lead one nation. The President has given strict instructions, secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear. Let me that fully clear this time. I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find out. We have all the security footages, and I'm here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them.
What's the motive?
First and foremost, we thank God that everyone is safe. We'd like to thank the President, Secretary Toro, Secretary Remulla, who personally came here, Chief Kevin is here. So as you know, last Monday, nag-request po tayo ng PNP just to make sure na yung investigation natin with NBI, that there will be no untoward incidents. So at around 6:45, 7 o'clock, some senators got warnings na uwi na. At nagtataka kami what that meant. So sabi ko, please don't believe that because the last thing anyone wants is yung gulo. At around that time, we got information, about an hour before that, we got information para tingnan dito yung articles of impeachment. So we decided to extend our focus and to mag-meeting na how we can prove by actions yung sinabi namin that this change in leadership is not about politics, it's not about impeachment. So at around that time na sinabi ni Sec. Remulla, we heard